Alright you guys, I'm going to do a review and kind of an unboxing on the Under Armour vacuum insulated hydration bottle. You can see this is a 68 ounce or 2 liters, so this is basically holds one of those big jugs of soda. Got this stainless steel. It says here it is trademarked by Thermos. Double wall vacuum insulation, purse button lid with locking ring handle with integrated fence hooks, not for hot liquids and BPA free, and it keeps liquids cool for 24 hours. So we see here is the locking mechanism, and the button opens up the lid. The lid is spring loaded, not necessarily by a spring, but by this rubber gasket. It's the same material, or appears to be the same material as the gasket here, which keeps your liquids within the container. The fence hooks are these guys right here. You can see here, pops right up. There's 2 separate adjustments on those, so it clicks like a car door right here, which gives 90 degrees for this crevice here, and then one higher, which gives you 90 degrees from this crevice here. Very nice handle, grips fairly well. You see you got a nice little waffle pattern on the side and on the lid. What I liked about this bottle is it's 2.5 turns to close the lid. Here's the lid, there's the gasket. But also you actually have a stopper on the side, so you cannot over tighten the lid. This is great, especially you over tighten your water bottles and you don't want to muscle the lid off. You'll be safe. Really nice. You can see some details here. Perfect for hand grip. You can see here your thumb can easily be placed in that crevice there. Here's some information on the bottom, more about this water bottle. And here is the inside. You see here we have instructions or information on the bottle. Care and use guide, vacuum insulated stainless steel hydration bottle. And opening this guy up, we see instructions on how to take care of the water bottle, assembly and use, warnings, and the limited warranty. So this is all important information. Definitely take a read at this. I already have. What they're saying is every time you wash it, you want to take it completely apart. So you want to take this gasket out, and they say pull it this way, do not push it this way, even though that seems like a good place to put a pen or a pencil to, to push this out. They say take it out this way. Clean the gaskets, make sure it's actually, 100% dry before you reassemble this. Clean it with warm soapy water, preferably detergents that won't deteriorate the material, eat away at the material or the finish. The height of this guy, if you're curious, is 12 3/4. Here we go. Here's our measurement laying down. Took my camera off the tripod, and we can see here it's about 12 3/8. It's a little crooked. It's not the perfect measurement, but you can see here, just if that will fit in your refrigerator or wherever you want to place this, I think that would be a good, this is a good indicator. You want it to fit somewhere you don't want to ruin here. I can see here, I know some wear and tear that's going to happen is once I click this guy, there is going to be some contact there, and right here, this is gonna get some contact there. What I'm curious about is how serious is this 68 full ounces? How much can I actually fit in this water bottle? So what I have is I actually have a blender in here, and we see we got 72 ounce and 64 ounce. There's 8 ounces in between, so if I fill it to this line here, right above max liquid, I should have 68 ounce. So we'll see how that holds up in this bottle. Let's remove this for now. This is important information I will definitely keep. And let me fill up this with water. All right, now that we got that, here's our water. Here we go. It's right in between 72 ounces and 64 ounces. So that is 68 ounces. All right, let's Open up this bottle. It's 1.25 turns. And we see here it is completely empty. I have not put anything in here yet. And we have our 68 ounces, just like it states right here. And let's pour it in. Just how much water can actually fit in here. Wow. That is crazy right there. So you can see here, this is empty. And let's put the cap back on. If you can't see that, the level is right there. It's literally just right below this lip, a couple millimeters. Let's put the lid on, see if there's any overspill, if it catches on anything. There's the lock. And we're good. Yeah, that is literally 68 ounces right there. So, and you can see here, it didn't get on the lid at all. It didn't get on the gasket. You can you can really fill that up. So yeah, this is the unboxing of the Under Armour 68 ounce, also known as 2 liters, vacuum insulated hydration bottle. I'm very excited for this water bottle. I bought it because I normally use a 22 ounce mountain bike bottle, which is my gym bottle and my school use bottle. I skateboard and I drink a lot of water when I skateboard, much like other individuals. It's a very cardio driven sport, and the water, refilling my water with something other than this can cause some stomach cramps. So I really needed a good water bottle that, you know, that works for my body, and this Under Armour bottle, after some research, just seemed like the most durable, really practical, a good size, nice styling. I love the waffle cone on the side. You know, this is a pretty simple design, but it's also pretty modern, and I like that. Big fan of Under Armour products. Yeah, that's why I got it. This should last me maybe 2.5, 3 hours of skateboarding. I'm gonna have to try that out. Yeah, so drink a lot of water. This seems like something that would be really, really useful for you. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.